We believe our approach of offering top-quality products at competitive prices is going to be a big success. This is exactly why Tesla is staying committed to releasing more affordable models in the near future. Production is still on track to begin in June, and now that goal has officially become a reality. The Tesla Model 2 is officially launching at a game-changing price, under $10,979, within the next 2 weeks. And just recently, brand new leaked spy images from Giga Texas have appeared, showing a camouflage test vehicle that many believe gives us our very first detailed look at the Tesla Model 2. To make this happen, Tesla needs to manufacture them in large quantities and at low cost, and that's something they are uniquely capable of doing. Tesla is the only company that currently has all the key elements in place to pull off this kind of launch. Finally, the long-awaited affordable EV has a name, and Elon Musk is confident that it will be Tesla's secret weapon throughout 2025 and beyond, helping the company bounce back from its recent challenges. So what does the Tesla Model 2 actually look like? How can someone order one? And maybe most importantly, how will Tesla's ambitious plan for 2025 and 2026 truly change our lives? Welcome to AMP Drive. Tesla is about to launch fully unsupervised self-driving cars, vehicles without anyone behind the wheel, right in Austin, starting next month. That alone makes this a massive year. And that's not all, plenty more is currently being worked on. Now, the newest high-quality images from Gigafactory Texas confirm that Tesla's affordable EV is finally real. Well-known Tesla follower and drone pilot Joe Tetmeyer captured video of a heavily disguised prototype racing around a private track near the factory. The prototype clearly had a smaller frame than the Model Y nearby, and parts of the body and roof were missing, which strongly suggests this is the last stage of testing and final checks for the new model. Interestingly, a very similar prototype was seen at Tesla's Fremont site back in April 2025, which adds further weight to the idea that this is not just another Model Y, it's the upcoming Model 2. So, how soon will people be able to buy the Model 2? Elon Musk shocked the auto world by confirming that the much-anticipated Model 2 will have its grand reveal in June 2025, just 2 weeks away. This marks the end of years of whispers, rumors, and grainy images, finally answering the question millions have been asking: when can everyday drivers finally get their hands on an affordable Tesla? Sources close to Tesla's logistics team say a major global launch event is scheduled for the end of June. First deliveries will begin in December 2025, with around 1,850 units going out to Tesla delivery centers in California. During the most recent earnings call, Musk made it clear that Tesla is all in on launching new models at the most affordable prices possible. He even joked that Tesla engineers might skip sleep just to meet the promised June production start date. Tesla's plans for 2025 and 2026 are equally ambitious. Pre-orders for the Model 2 are expected to open in the last quarter of 2025, around November or December, with a refundable deposit ranging from $250 to $500. This will secure early delivery spots. Analysts are predicting over 500,000 pre-orders in just a few weeks due to Tesla's strong brand, the low price, and generous government incentives. If production goes as planned, limited deliveries will start in December 2025, with more widespread availability across the US by mid-2026. Deliveries to less populated areas may extend into early 2027. But the big turning point will be in the second quarter of 2026. That's when Tesla plans to launch the Robotaxi version of the Model 2 in major cities, using Starlink connections and Dojo AI-based self-driving software. The Model 2 will be the backbone of Tesla Network V1, the first complete autonomous transportation platform made by the company. This affordable compact hatchback will be built at Giga Texas and the all-new Giga Mexico, which is being constructed specifically to produce low-cost electric vehicles. Tesla's internal documents show that both factories will use the latest Giga press machinery and a unique unboxed modular build system. This system simplifies manufacturing by reducing over 400 parts to fewer than 20. It also cuts down production time by up to 40% and trims about $1,000 off the cost per car. By mid-2027, Tesla expects to be producing 1 million Model 2 units every year across its U.S. plants, with Giga Texas initially making 10,000 per week. That's nearly 500,000 vehicles in the first year, and output is set to increase quickly after that. This US-based production strategy gives Tesla a big edge. Thanks to the Inflation Reduction Act, a $7,500 federal EV tax credit can now apply fully, making the Model 2's sub-$10,979 sticker price even more attractive to buyers in the US. Tesla also avoids new 100% tariffs on Chinese EVs and 25% import duties on foreign-made lithium batteries. These savings go directly into keeping costs low for customers. Now, let's talk about the battery. How can a car that costs just $10,979 still offer real-world performance? Tesla chose a smart path. Instead of using its more expensive 4,680 battery cells, which are used in the Cybertruck and Semi, the Model 2 comes with a 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery. These LFP batteries come from CATL, a leading supplier, and offer several big benefits. They are safer, last longer, and cost much less than typical lithium-ion batteries. Even though they are budget-friendly, these upgraded LFP packs have better energy density than older versions. That means they can store more power in a smaller, lighter battery. The result is an amazing 350-mile driving range, way more than what any competitor offers at this price point. This means even long road trips are possible with this car. Some critics might roll their eyes at the idea of a cheap Tesla battery, but the Model 2's LFP pack delivers more than enough. In controlled tests, CATL's newer chemistry was able to charge up to 80% in just 10 minutes. In the real world, drivers can expect a quick 20-minute charge to reach the same level. That's much faster than most other EVs in this segment, many of which take at least 30 minutes or more to get a similar charge. And this fast charging doesn't come at the cost of safety. LFP batteries are known to resist overheating and can operate smoothly in both very hot and freezing conditions. Whether it's summer or winter, drivers can trust that their Model 2 will perform consistently without issues like battery fires or fast wear and tear. Tesla's efforts to keep costs low go way beyond just battery choices. By skipping non-essential features, sharing components with the Model 3 and Model Y, and using advanced GigaPress tech, Tesla has cut down on complexity and reduced materials costs across the board. The battery, normally one of the most expensive parts of any EV, has become a more manageable expense thanks to clever production at Gigafactory Nevada. There, CATL's machinery works alongside Tesla's own systems, reducing dependence on imports and qualifying the car for the full $7,500 tax credit. Additional state-level incentives could bring the final price down to $17,500 or even lower for some buyers. Even without any incentives, the $10,979 base price makes this the most affordable Tesla in history. It's also the smallest Tesla yet, measuring under 4 meters long, which is nearly half a meter shorter than the Model 3. That smaller size helps reduce the car's weight by around 30%, which boosts efficiency and improves handling in city driving. The standard version will have a single rear motor to keep costs down, while an optional dual-motor all-wheel drive version will offer quicker acceleration and better grip in slippery conditions. Both models will still reach the headline 350-mile range thanks to the efficient powertrain and lightweight design. In terms of speed, the basic Model 2 will go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 6.5 seconds, faster than many gas-powered sedans. The all-wheel drive version will drop that time to under 5 seconds, which puts it on par with much more expensive performance vehicles. Tesla didn't need to use fancy materials or overcomplicate things to achieve this. Instead, engineers leaned on tested electric drivetrain parts, a clean interior design centered around a 15.7-inch screen, and a build system that avoids unnecessary extras. Inside the cabin, you'll find a minimalist layout with lots of natural light from the panoramic glass roof. LED lighting throughout the car can shift between 16 colors and sync with the time of day or climate settings. The seats are automatically adjustable and use sensors to match each driver's posture and height. This saves space and improves comfort at the same time. Around the vehicle, there are multiple sensors, cameras, and radar units. A full self-driving hardware package comes standard, so future software updates can add even more features. Tesla is ready to produce millions of these vehicles thanks to its global network of factories. Giga Texas will kick things off in mid-2025, building 10,000 cars per week, and quickly scaling up to 1 million per year. Giga Berlin and Giga Shanghai will also begin building the Model 2 to serve markets in Europe and Asia without the cost of import tariffs. This worldwide production effort helps Tesla cut down on delivery wait times, qualify for local incentives, and maintain its lead over rivals who don't have this kind of infrastructure. Some people think the long-range version of the Model 2 will end up costing more, maybe $28,000 or even $30,000, but even that is cheaper than many EVs offering just 250 miles of range. And for most drivers, a 250-mile base version is more than enough. So what kind of design magic keeps costs low on the Tesla Model 2? The answer lies in smart choices. At under 3.9 meters long, it's the most compact Tesla yet. But even in this smaller body, Tesla has managed to pack in futuristic design elements and top performance. The headlights resemble a sharp T-shape, like something out of a SpaceX ship, and are designed to improve visibility for older drivers. The body is made from hardened steel with a plasma shield-style coating developed by Tesla Energy. This scratch-resistant surface lowers maintenance costs, which is great for budget-conscious families. Wind tunnel tests showed a 19% improvement in aerodynamics over the Model 3. And production trials already revealed that it takes 27% less time to build each Model 2, with 18% fewer exterior parts. This is made possible by Tesla's modular unboxed method, where major sections are built separately and then combined. This reduces cost without lowering build quality. Inside, a smaller 13-inch screen replaces the usual 15-inch one found in the Model 3, saving on materials. A special Elder mode simplifies the display into 4 large icons: Drive, Call, Map, and Home. Tesla created this after reviewing thousands of customer feedback sessions. The seats use smart technology based on research from Stanford, adjusting support automatically for each person's spine and height. A glass roof runs from front to back, increasing headroom and filling the cabin with natural light. The UV-blocking side windows filter out 97% of harmful rays. The air inside is kept clean with Tesla's Clean Air 360 system. This setup uses steam and UVC light to kill germs and remove 99% of dust and pollutants, especially helpful for those with asthma or allergies. So, what part of the Model 2 excites you the most? And would you trust a $10,979 EV for your daily 350-mile drives? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching this video from Amp Drive. If you're curious about Tesla EVs or the Tesla bot, don't forget to hit the like button and share this video. Be sure to subscribe to Amp Drive and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Goodbye.